And so let's begin this time of meditation simply by becoming present to where we are. By allowing the chair that we're sitting in to support us. Allowing the tension to drop out of our shoulders. Allowing our breathing to slow and deepen. And as we feel ourselves relax into this now moment, we allow our conscious mind to focus on the divine mind of God. The mind that our co-founder Charles Fillmore referred to as the superconscious. The mind that knows all in its perfect form. In a place where love, where joy, where power and abundance live in their fullest and purest state. We call forth that divine mind in us now. We allow that divine mind to guide and inform us now. To inspire us with wisdom. To comfort us with peace. As we move into this stillness, we allow the great mind of God to live and move through our consciousness. For in the stillness, we know that we are one. And it's with this knowledge that we move now into the silence. Ever so gently, we allow the present moment to call us back. Ever so gently, our awareness begins to shift from the inner back to the outer, carrying with it the wisdom, the grace, the love, the peace, the healing of God. carrying with it the reminder that although we continue about our day, we do not lose this connection. That at any moment of any day, we can call forth the divine mind of God. And with that mind, we can co-create the reality that works for all. And so it is for this divine partnership that we are grateful. And it's for the blessings that we have received in this moment that we are grateful. And for the knowledge that we are forever one with our spirit, with the divine light of the universe, we are grateful. And so it is. Amen.